something totally different. I'm going to mop my floors and I'm going to take you guys along with me because, you know, sometimes you just get tired of cooking videos. So this is what a tired shenanigan does. She's all over the place. So this morning, I'm going to clean my floors. So, okay. We're going to use a little of this Fabuloso. The water's already in there hot. I don't use bleach. So some Fabuloso and some good old dish detergent, just a squeeze of this. And I don't have one of those fancy mop buckets and all that. My bucket is on wheels with a twister, with a wringer of its own. So this is what I'm doing. Today I am cleaning, and I will bring you along so we can clean and talk. You know, I have nobody to help me clean pretty much. My fiance, he works all day. So, he works all day. So, you know, I'm the cleaner. Okay, we continue on over here. You know, I have a bad back, but I push through it because somebody got to do it, right? So, why not me? Why not me? That's who's doing it. And I don't mind because I don't like living in dirt. I don't like living in dirt too much. So, let's clean the floors. Let's get them all cleaned up so we can be doing fine. Alright, we're going to finish up. Sit for the kitchen floor. I told you today was a different day. We're going to clean this bathroom now. I'm going to take everything out. I'm sweeping. And we're going to clean this tub. I have my handy dandy. I have a mat in my tub because old people tend to slip. So I'm going to clean my mat first, and then I'm going to clean the tub. There's some good stuff. It's the best stuff to clean your bathroom with. Alright. The mat is all cleaned up. I'm rinsing it. And I'm going to scrub the tub. All clean. All rinsed off. And I'm going to roll it a minute. I got one of these tablets. I'm going to drop it in the toilet and see what happens. And let it work. And while that's working, I'm going to wipe this off some here. I know we all hate cleaning, but you gotta do it. Have to do it. So, milk is fizzing. So I'm gonna get my brush. I'm gonna let it sit there for a while. I'm going to wipe the toilet with my I got some spray for the toilet, and then I'm gonna wipe the toilet. Let your toilet brush, let your toilet brush, let your toilet brush drip, and it'll come dry, and then you'll be able to put it away. Last but not least, the mopping. And then we're going to put everything back. Alright, finish cleaning the bathroom. Mop the floors, put everything back. We're all done.